All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. Today we're going to be talking about cases. Well, this is my favorite case right now, my D-brand grip case. I've been wearing this ever since I bought it. I've tested other cases. I've shown you the silicone case here. I really love my D-brand case the most, the D-brand grip. It's grippy. But I found something on AliExpress, and I just couldn't resist. And I've been shopping on AliExpress like crazy lately. And here's my next find. I actually have another case that's about to deliver as well. It's a frost case, but this case right here, I got in this specific color because it matches my pistachio phone. This case is only like $3 to $5. You'll find a seller. This case, see, I got my phone in already. This case right here has texture to it, and it's very nice. And also has a screen protector built in. That is a huge plus. And this doesn't take away from anything on the phone. This is a beautiful, beautiful feeling case and looking case. And it's also MagSafe. Ooh, bars, I didn't try to do that. But if you want to record yourself on a vlog, you can be like, boom, my name is jwilliams, and I'm here to, yeah, you get it. But MagSafe is really strong. The case itself feels really, really good. Now, I talked about it before. Some people like hinge protection, some people do not. I showed you this particular case right here, and it doesn't have hinge protection or anything like that, but still, it's a very nice case, but it also costs 60 bucks. And so some people don't want to pay that. And I'd already ordered these cases from AliExpress. I was just waiting for them to come in, and they came actually pretty fast. The reason this is a win is because it has a screen protector in it. It's a very hard plastic. I thought it was tempered glass when I first put it on, but I think it's just a real hard plastic, but it's actually really nice. You get a clean cloth in there and a wet wipe and everything in the case inside, and then you get the front and the back. That is what makes this one very special. For like $4, I think I paid for this. I'm not even sure, but this is a freaking win, folks. Now, there are OEM Samsung products like this on AliExpress, and they're only like 10 to 20 bucks. So do your research. There are OEM products too. They're OEM cases. So I was excited about this one though, obviously for the color combination. I really think it's fire with the pistachio, and they also have other colors to go with the other cases. You just have to go into AliExpress and search. That's all that I've been doing. So I've been staggering out these videos for you. By the time you watch this, I've had this for probably 2 weeks already. But I got to tell you, I couldn't be more happy that I started shopping on AliExpress. Now, I've shopped on AliExpress in the past. I just wasn't too serious about it because the shipping used to be really bad. But now you can get cases like this for brand new phones. You can get OEM cases that are just flawless. This right here, folks, I'm not taking away from any other company that I'm reviewing their products, but let's be honest here. Would you want to spend $5 on this with the tempered glass built in, the screen protector built in, and get the same performance and quality from the case, or $100 on something else that looks the same? It's okay for you to say it. This right here is an amazing deal. I'm actually going to go back in and order some more of these in different colors because this is just a fire setup right here, man. Just because I can for $5, and I got it from China or Hong Kong, wherever it came from, in like 6 days or 5 days. Totally worth the wait. Their shipping has been on point, and I got a bunch of stuff I already ordered. I ordered me some more tools and stuff. I just ordered a bunch of stuff on there, and I didn't even spend $100 yet. Incredible. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is a win. So just get on AliExpress, search Z Fold 8 wide, and you will find this case and plenty of other sellers on there. I'm probably selling it for less than the $4 I paid. It's a major win. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.